Alright, what's up guys? Today we're finally putting on the wing. He got the sides. This one is black, but the other one we have is red. So we're gonna go in the garage and we're gonna paint it. They came out pretty good, dude.
Yeah, me too.
It's a little unfortunate about that hole, but
Where? That hole?
yeah. And
Yeah,
you probably need to do another coat along there.
Fuck, I just did one. Sub 3.
Alright guys, so when you are putting a wing on, you always want to put tape first before you mark it, and then mark the tape. Because just in case when you're drilling, the drill bit moves or something, it doesn't mess up all the paint. And when you take the paint off, or when you take the wing off, it looks cleaner. So just if you change your mind down the line, you'll thank yourself, especially on newer cars. Make sure you always do that. Ooh, but she doesn't even look that bad. It actually looks really good. It's just interesting how much the bumper sticks out. But I mean, from all angles, it's looking pretty good.
Right? Yeah.
I mean, I wish it was a chassis mount, but but not too bad. Okay, so now we're gonna put the hardware on. We'll take that tape off, and we should be good to go. Okay, so we ran into a little issue here. Everything looks pretty good, right? It's all secure, nice, and oh, that's not good. So there's a stud there and a stud there on the inside, and they are smaller nuts than the other ones, and we didn't actually have our own hardware like with the wing, like we had to get it, so now we have to go back get some more. So we got the wing on and everything's almost good. However, this moving, it's still an issue. Under here there's supposed to be a bolt on each side. However, like I said before, we weren't given the hardware for this. We had to find our own, and we can't find hardware that would fit those threads, and there's nothing else to really grab onto with like a self-tapping screw. So for now it's just tape holding it on. He's gonna put double-sided tape on so it holds it better, and then we'll have to figure something out later down the line. But for now, it should be good. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below, what do you guys think of it? What else should we put? We're gonna put the little side scoop that goes up there on the driver's side, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.